Hey y'all, thanks for tuning back in to Shamon's Kitchen. Today we're going to be making cheesy garlic broccoli shrimp mashed potatoes mixed with broccoli, and we're going to also top one of the dishes off with a little bacon. So for the bacon lovers, you can top it off with the bacon, or if you don't eat pork or don't eat bacon, you can leave that off. This dish doesn't take long, okay? I have a few ingredients that I want to share with you guys. Okay, so first let's start off with, I have 6 large cooked, already boiled, skinned off potatoes. So what I did, Idaho potatoes, red skin potatoes, whatever type of potatoes you prefer, that's what you can use. So what I have used was the regular white potatoes, Idaho, and I boiled them already in a pot. Make sure the water is all the way over your potatoes. Make sure you cook them till they're soft. You're going to take a spoon, wait till they cool off, put them in some cold water to rinse them off, and make sure you get that hot sensation off of the potatoes, because you can't peel a hot potato in your hand. So I cooled them off, skinned the potato, and now I'm going to show you what to do after that, okay? And I have a whole bag of pre-cooked shrimp. You can use the uncooked raw shrimps, which is going to take a little bit longer to cook, but today I got the regular shrimps that's already kind of pre-cooked, pre-cleaned, even though I cleaned them and washed them. I have broccoli. You can use fresh broccoli. You can use the frozen broccoli. I have broccoli here. Now for my potatoes, I have 1.5 cup of milk I'm going to use for the potatoes. I have a whole stick of butter. That's what you're going to use to get that garlic sauce ready to go over your potatoes, okay? And then I also have 1.5 cups of milk for the cheese sauce. I have 3 teaspoons of seasoning salt and 1 teaspoon of cayenne pepper to give it a little spicy little taste to it. Only if you like spicy, you can use the cayenne. I have 3 teaspoons of garlic powder, 2 teaspoons of basil, and then I have 2 teaspoons of parsley. This right here is about 3.5 cups of cheese. Okay, that's what we're going to use to get that garlic sauce going.
Let's go ahead and, I have the pan already, my pot already getting warm, and let's go ahead and get the shrimp sauce pan warm too. Okay, let's go ahead and put the potatoes in the pot. Your potatoes, I have it on low. Let's put it on low until I get finished smashing them up. Okay, so now that I have gotten the potatoes smashed up with my potato smasher, we're going to go ahead and get that milk added in, okay? A little bit more stirring here. Now, once it gets hot, I'm going to add my butter. Make sure your mashed potatoes, if you like a little bit clumpy mashed potatoes, you can make them that way, but I'm going to make them medium today.
Okay, I'm going to go ahead and get some butter added here. Now I have my butter sitting out for a little while so that it can get a little soft. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and add a little bit of butter. Okay, so what we're gonna do next is get that shrimp sauce going, that cheesy sauce going. Okay, let's go ahead and get that going. So first what we're gonna put in is, we're gonna go ahead and put the cheese, no, we're gonna go ahead and put the butter in first. Let's go ahead and do that. So I'm using the rest of the stick of butter. So all together I use a whole stick of butter. So that's what I'll be using, the rest of the butter, to get that butter garlic sauce prepared, okay? Let's go ahead and do that. Next, we're gonna go ahead and add in the milk. Let's go ahead and add in the milk. 1 cup first, real slow. And then I'm gonna go ahead and add in the 1/2 cup. Then while that's getting warm, I'm gonna go ahead and add in the cheese. I'm gonna add in half, then add the other half in after it thickens up. Then you want to add it in to see if you want to add more. Okay.
So I'm gonna go ahead and stir. Okay, now I still have my potatoes on low. I'm gonna go ahead and switch around. So we're gonna do switcheroo. I have my potatoes on low, real low, because you want to keep them warm and still cooking, okay? The sauce is thickening up. I'm gonna go ahead and add in my shrimp. Add in my shrimp. Keep that cooking. And then I'm gonna go ahead and try some of these seasons. I'm gonna add in the garlic powder first. Then I'm gonna add in my other seasonings, the seasoned salt and the cayenne pepper. Add in half first, okay? Get that going. So you're gonna let this cook, because you want your shrimps to cook, for at least a good 5 to 10 minutes, okay?
Cheesy sauce first, okay? That's how I'm gonna do that. Then I want to check the potatoes. You don't want them to stiffen up. So I'm gonna take a little bit of the garlic and put it also in my potatoes. Give that potatoes a little flavor. You can add salt if you like, but I do like the garlic powder. Okay. All right, we're gonna go ahead and let this cook up a little bit. Now I'm going to add the broccoli in. I don't want it to get too wilted, so you want to kind of add that in last. Let that cheese sauce thicken up. Okay, so now the cheese sauce is thickening up. You want to keep stirring it so the cheese won't get clumpy, depending on what kind of cheese you use. Sorry, what I did is use mixed cheese. It's shredded sharp, shredded mozzarella. It's a Mexican mix that I use for my cheeses. That's what I prefer to use when I make this dish mix, because I also use that cayenne pepper in seasoning sauce. Let me go ahead and give you some more ingredients here. So you letting those shrimps cook. You don't want your shrimps to cook too long if you got the pre-cooked shrimps, okay? Now if you have the raw shrimps, you probably want to cook those separate. Cook those first, saute those first. Now let's go ahead and add the broccoli in. So this is really an all-in-one meal. Now I'm gonna let that cook down. I'm gonna go ahead and add the rest of my seasonings. Add the rest of the seasonings to it.
Make sure your broccoli is cooking well, not overcooked. So like I said, this cheese sauce is going to take about a good 10 minutes to prepare, to make sure everything is done. Let's go ahead and add the basil. What I'm going to do for the last 3 or 4 minutes is I'm going to add the rest of the cheese, okay? I'm just going to leave a little bit to top the ending off. All right, so sticking it up good here.
Hey y'all, so now that I have gotten the shrimp sauce ready and the garlic mashed potatoes, check it out. Mashed potatoes. And then I got that cheesy broccoli shrimp sauce ready for y'all. That's right. So instead of you doing it the shortcut way, already buying the already made cheese sauce, make it yourself. I just gave you the basic 101 on how to make that good old cheese sauce. That's right. Let's go ahead and get to tasting. Y'all ready? Let's do it. Okay, so what I did is I cook a couple of slices of bacon, maybe 4, for my daughter. She like bacon, and I'm gonna show you what I'm gonna do with that. Okay, now for me,
this is how we're gonna do it. Okay, take your mashed potatoes. I'm gonna go ahead and top that off. So what you do, see that cheese sauce? All right, got that cheese sauce going, not too thick, not too thin. And we're gonna go ahead and get that poured over. Look at that. Look at that. Mm-hmm. That's right. That's right. Delish. What I'm gonna do for her is go ahead and just top it off with a little bacon. Top it off with a little bacon for her. Okay? That's what we're gonna do for that.
Okay, guys. So, like I said, I topped my daughters with bacon, and I got mine plain. Let's go ahead and get a little parsley added. Just a little extra little garnish. A little bit more extra flavor. Only if you want to, okay? Let's get to tasting. All right. Okay, get some of this in there. Look at that cheese. All in one. That's what we got right here. All in one. Here we go. This is good, y'all. I guarantee y'all gonna like this. Guess what? I play too much. I play too much. This is a good, quick, simple, easy dish that you can prepare. Okay? Let me give you one more last hint of what I did. After the potatoes got ready, I added 1/2 teaspoon of salt to give the potatoes some more flavor. This is delicious, y'all. Add the bacon at the top. You can even add a little bit more sour cream to it, or you can keep them plain. There it is, y'all. Garlic, cheesy, broccoli, shrimp, mashed potatoes. I did that for y'all. I thank y'all so much for tuning in with me again. I appreciate your time. I love cooking for y'all. I love showing y'all different recipes. Thanks for taking time out. Don't forget to subscribe to Sharmon's Kitchen. Check me out on Facebook at Sharmon Snyder. Thank you so much. Don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and if you make the recipe, go ahead and share it so other people can get it on it too. Pass the word around. I thank you. From my family always to yours. Everybody have a blessed one. Enjoy. Thank you.